Hello, my name is George Lamprou, your Greek language trainer. If you've studied Greek but still feel stuck when it's time to speak, you're not alone. The Greek Speaking Accelerator course is designed to help you unlock real speaking confidence so you can communicate naturally in Greece, Cyprus, or anywhere in the world, and also feel confident in your Greek language exams. So let's turn the Greek you already know into real conversation. What has been the problem? Maybe you've studied Greek for months, maybe even for years, but when it's time to speak, the words just don't come out. So why does this happen? Most Greek courses focus on grammar, exercises, and reading, but speaking is a skill, and skill requires practice. I have the solution for you. The Greek Speaking Accelerator course is designed to help you speak confidently, respond faster, and express your ideas clearly. And the method: in this course, we focus on speaking, speaking, and speaking. You will speak and hear others speak in every lesson. What happens in every lesson? In each lesson, you will answer questions, describe images, hold conversations, and express your opinions. You will learn to speak constantly. You've done a course already, so you will use what you already know. You will use vocabulary you already know, simple grammar structures, and new useful vocabulary, and step by step your speaking will grow. You will learn how to talk about yourself, your family, where you live, and about what work you do. For example, can you answer these questions? Πώς λέγεστε? Από πού είστε? Σε ποια πόλη μένετε? Etc. You will also learn how to describe your environment. You will learn how to describe people, places, activities, and everyday situations. For example, can you describe this image? You will learn how to hold a conversation. You will practice conversations about pets, hobbies, daily life, family, work, free time, and other topics. For example, are you able to hold a short conversation at your level? A possible conversation about: you want a cat. Your relative wants a dog. You can explain why you prefer a cat. How will your speaking improve? At A1 level, you will learn how to use simple answers. At A2 level, you will learn how to hold short conversations. And at B1 level, you will learn how to give longer explanations and opinions. Who is this course for then? Beginners who want to speak early. Learners living in Greece, Cyprus, or any part of the world for that matter. And for students preparing for the Greek language proficiency exam. By the end of the course, you will speak more confidently. You will respond faster, and you will be able to communicate more naturally. Why this works for you? You will improve because you speak in every lesson, use vocabulary you already know, learn new vocabulary, learn to respond naturally, and build confidence step by step. The course is delivered by me, George Lamprou, live online. So contact me and I will book you in so you can start improving. I look forward to hearing from you. Καλή συνέχεια.